Hi, my name's Stripey. Can I tell you about something at school? Yeah, sure. Oh, of course! So, did you know that frogs look a lot like leaves and that lions look like the grass around them? Oh, cool. That's very cool. And they look like that because the camouflage. So camouflage means they look like the surroundings around them. Oh yeah, go Stripey.